I can't wait to show you my toys.
What's going on, everybody? Legend here. In today's video we're going to be opening up Pokemon X and Y Steam Siege Rayquaza coin blister pack. Hopefully we get something good. If you like what you see in today's video, please check out the rest of the channel and subscribe for more Pokemon videos. And please take a moment and check out the links in the description box as well. Alright, these are the newest blister packs that come out, of course promoting the new set. Pretty cool they feature Rayquaza. This coin is epic. Get it out here. So there is the Rayquaza coin. Pretty sweet if you ask me. Here is our Rayquaza promo X and Y 141. So right behind the Lucario that I opened a couple days ago, Dual Claw and Dragon Blast. Very nice. Okay, so Xerneas, Gardevoir, and Yveltal break. Here we go. Starting things off here with a Bravery, Armor Fossil, Skiploom, Mareep, Bergmite, Fungus, Joltik, Litwick, Ampharos reverse rare, excellent, and a Klinklang non-holo rare. 2 rares in 1 pack, very good. Gardevoir. There you guys go. Alright, so Tangrowth, Captivating Pokepuff, Drifloon, Litleo, Sneasel, Yanma, Apom, Clauncher, a reverse Toxicroak, another rare, very good, Poison Enzyme and Poison Jab, and a Jumpluff, non-holo rare. So another pack with 2 rares in it, very good. Last pack of Destiny here, Xerneas on the cover artwork. There you go. Alrighty. Persian, Greedy Dice, Monferno, Clink, Mankey, Fungus, a Nidorino, Oshawott, Samurott, reverse rare, awesome, and a Volcanon non-holo rare. So 3 packs with 2 rares in them. That's pretty good. Not going to complain there. And our 3 reverses are Samurott, Toxicroak, and Ampharos. Very good. And our 3 regular rares are Volcanon, Jumpluff, and oh wow, this was a holo. Holy crap. Didn't even notice. Klinklang is a holo. So a very good opening. Awesome. So, thank you guys for watching. Legend, signing out.